What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Meat is Monday in full effect. And guess what we cooking? Butternut squash chili, y'all. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So first thing we gonna do, we gonna go ahead and get our onions into our pot so we can get them to start sweating down. After we get our onions in, we're gonna come in with our bell pepper. Now, of course, we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here already. So we can sweat down this veg. So we're gonna give that a quick mix. And then we're gonna go ahead and rain on them, y'all. Then we got here with a little salt. That salt helps sweat them vegetables down. Draws out all that moisture, y'all. Give that a quick mix so that salt can start doing its job. And we're just gonna let this sweat. And while that's doing this thing, we're gonna go ahead and chop up our eggplant. So basically all we're doing is chopping these into cubes. Now, you want them around about the same size. It don't have to be perfect out. I like them to be a little bit different, for different textures. But as you can see, our veggies have sweat down pretty well. Look at that. Yeah. So now we can go ahead and add in our butternut squash. Of course, we're gonna give that a quick mix. So yeah, our pan is a little dry, so we're gonna add in a little bit more oil. Then we're gonna add in our pack of chili seasoning. And that's just basically those packs that you see at the grocery store to make your chili with. Seasoning already there. I like those because usually I only make chili maybe 2-3 times a year. Maybe 4 sometimes. It depends. And then we're gonna add in our vegetable stock. Now this is 4 cups of vegetable stock. Once we get that stock in, we're gonna bring that up to a boil, and then we're gonna add in our tomato paste. 1 whole can. And we want to make sure we try to get all that good tomato paste into our chili. And of course, mix it on in, start breaking it down, getting it to incorporate into our veggie stock. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this up to a boil and let it simmer real good. Now we're gonna let this simmer just like this for about an hour, and we should be ready. After an hour, this is what you got. It has reduced and thickened up a bit, as you can see. And our butternut squash is now tender. You can pretty much break it up with this spoon. You don't want it too soft, but you want it tender. And as you can see, our sauce has thickened up now. really nicely. It looks real smooth. So now, let's go ahead and add in our beans. Now for beans, I have black beans and red kidney beans. From the can, of course, that I rinsed because I don't want that bean can flavor in here. So I rinsed them off real good and then add them to the pot. That way you have a better flavor from your beans. And now we're just gonna let this simmer for about another 15 minutes. Just long enough for those beans to warm through and absorb that flavor. So let's go ahead and plate up. So I'm starting off with me some corn chips at the bottom, then some cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using white cheddar here, and then some chili. Again, corn chips, a little cheese, and then our chili out. Now once I got to the top, added me some more corn chips, some more cheese, and I also added me some cheese bites, air fried cheese bites. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. Look at that bite. Mm, mm, mm. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.